Hi there! Very excited for this one. Today we have the newly launched Redmi Buds 5 and it's a massive leap from its predecessor, the Redmi Buds 4 Active. The biggest upgrade is the all-new design, which I must say looks absolutely gorgeous, especially this white color. Then we finally have ANC on board, we have 38 hours of battery life and so much more. Redmi truly bought everything their fans asked for. Yes, the price also sees a hike. This is priced at 2,999. Now, I've been using this for a couple of days. Let me share all my experiences in detail so you can decide if the Redmi Buds 5 are worth the hype or not. Let's start with a quick unboxing. So here is the retail packaging, nice, compact and functional. Some key features are mentioned on the side, rest manufacturing details along with MRP at the back. Let's open it up. So we have this card which says app connection, Xiaomi earbuds. Here is the QR code for the app along with the benefits listed below. Here is the user manual, the Redmi earbuds 5 themselves, 2 pairs of extra ear tips of different sizes and a USB-C charging cable. It's a really small cable, but I'm glad at least they're providing one. Let's have a closer look at the earbuds. Starting with the case, so we have this white color and it's got an all new design. Though we can see where this inspiration might have come from, but I'm truly loving it. Weighing at just 42 grams with the earbuds, it's super compact and fits perfectly in my palm. Matte finish all over, so it doesn't attract any fingerprint or smudges. Really soft to touch. Redmi branding on the top in chrome and it looks so cool. You can spot the USB-C port in the front. I really like this placement. Then on the right is a small reset button. The device is overall very well built, I'd say. Now let's open up the lid. The thing is, you will need 2 hands to open it. Inside you can see the earbuds along with a white strip LED light, so you know it holds power and it blinks during pairing. Let's have a closer look at the buds. So it comes in buds and a small stem design. There's a chrome line in the center, makes them really stand out. Then you can spot 2 microphones on each for phone calls and noise cancellation. Really well built. I wanted to add, this inside section of the case has a glossy finish and gives it a very premium feel, but it does attract smudges and micro scratches. It's not a big deal, but still worth sharing. Also, one thing that I really loved is that when you close the lid, it doesn't make that snap sound. It closes so softly. I actually like this touch. Then this Buds 5 also come with IP54 rating, so mild splashes and sweat should be fine. Ideal if you want to wear it at the gym or for a run. Then we get the latest Bluetooth 5.3, so better stable connectivity. Then there's Google Fast Pairing support, so simply open the lid and you'll see a pairing pop-up on your Android phone. Click to pair. iPhone users will have to follow the standard pairing process. Let's talk about the fit and comfort. Well, I'm currently wearing both and I can tell you that they snug in really nicely, blocking most of the passive sound. Each earbud weighs about 5.3 grams and they're really light and comfortable to be worn for long hours. We tried shaking our head, oh my god, and you can see that they don't fall off either. Just make sure you have the right size of buds because that will make a drastic difference in fit and sound. Let's talk about the sound. Now first, the hardware. It comes with 12.4 mm dynamic driver with titanium diaphragm that provides very rich audio experience. It gets super loud and I could barely go past 70 to 80% volume. Any louder than that, I won't even recommend. Also at full volume, mild distortion was observed, but at 80-90% volume, the instrument separation and the clarity was super impressive. The bass is also really good, but as you switch to enhanced bass from the app, it goes to the next level. Deep, thumpy, the kind of bass heads would truly love. Punjabi songs will be a treat, if you know what I mean. For those who want to enjoy clear vocals like ghazals or podcasts, you can switch to enhanced voice mode. Really well tuned. Then finally, the new Redmi Buds 5 also come with active noise cancellation up to 46 decibels. I must say, it does a pretty good job at cancelling out all the white noise by almost 80 to 90%. It's ideal to be worn on a flight where it will almost eliminate the engine noise. Then there is also transparency mode where it actually enhances the sound around you, making you aware of your surroundings. Ideal to be worn when you're outdoors so that the traffic sound can be heard. Then we also use these a lot for phone calls. Here's a quick demo. So, the audio you're hearing right now is being recorded from the mics of the Redmi Buds 5. In together, we have 4 mics for noise cancellation and phone calls. In my experience, the audio was pretty clear and it's good enough to use for phone calls. It comes with Xiaomi's self-developed anti-wind noise algorithm, which will make it perfect for phone calls even when used outdoors. However, you guys are the best judge. Write down in the comments and share your feedback. The Redmi Buds 5 also support tap gestures. So you can pause play, you can change tracks, you can toggle ANC on and off. In fact, you can also increase or decrease the volume directly from your earphones. Trust me, that's so handy. Best part, you can custom set each tap gesture from the Xiaomi earbuds app as per your preference. I must add, it works really well, barely did it miss any tap. Then the Redmi Buds also come with in-ear detection support. So music will pause the moment you put these out and the music will resume when you put them back. But a small thing that I have to mention, it takes about a second or two to pause the music when you pull them out. But the good thing is that they resume almost instantly when you put them back. It's not a deal breaker, but something worth sharing. Another handy feature is dual pairing. It's such a blessing. So now you can pair two phones at the same time or pair your phone and laptop at the same time. The benefit is, for example, you receive a call on your phone while you're watching a movie on your laptop, the connection will automatically switch to your phone and you can answer and talk using your phone, and once the call ends, the connection switches back to the laptop. It's so handy. Let's have a quick look at the Xiaomi Earbuds companion app. So right on the top you can see the battery percentage of the earbuds and the case separately. Then you can toggle ANC, you can turn on transparency mode, you can turn it off. Then further down you can adjust the ANC intensity, deep, balanced or light. Similarly, if you move to transparency mode, you can change it to regular, enhance voice or enhance ambient sound. Then below is gestures, so you can custom set each tap gesture depending on what you want it to be. Then audio effects are basically preset equalizer options. There are 4, but sadly there's no option to custom set an equalizer. In additional settings, in-ear detection can be toggled on and off, run an ear tip fit test, dual connection toggle, an option to automatically take calls. You can rename your earphones. Then if you go back, you have Find My Earphones, firmware update, and some more basic options. There is no low latency mode or gaming mode info that we could find. So we tested briefly while gaming and we did notice a slight delay at times, but it should be fine for casual gaming. However, if you're looking for earphones to watch movies, the lip sync was spot on. No delay was observed. Coming to the battery. So the case comes with a 480 mAh battery and the earbuds each comes with 54 mAh battery. Redmi claims it will last you for 10 hours on a single charge and 38 hours in total with the case, which is just too good. But these numbers are without ANC turned on, so expect them to be a little lower when noise cancellation is enabled. Alright, final thoughts. I'll start with the cons, but if I had to nitpick, there's no custom equalizer support and there's no gaming mode. But in my opinion, the pros far outweigh the cons. Amazing sound, impressive ANC, impressive clarity for phone calls, dual device connectivity, in-ear detection and stellar battery life. For 2,999, the Redmi Buds 5 are worth every penny. It will be available in 3 different colors, black, white and purple, which is inspired from the Redmi 13 Pro Plus 5G. It's going on sale on 20th of February on Amazon and across Xiaomi stores. I'll share the link for all in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.